Okay, it's time for our math lesson. Let me share my screen. This lesson is I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with stories. So we're going to start by counting without our piano map. So let's try that. Let me move this down. Remember, you're going to start with your pinky finger. So if I said, let's play our pretend pianos. This number, we're going to go 1, 2. Let's try this number, 1. How about this one? I think it's backwards. 1, 2, 3. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. How about this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go back. Okay, so you should have a plate and it has a dot on it. And then inside of an envelope, you have some leaves. So let's get those out because we are going to do a little activity. We are going to pretend like these leaves are going to be going around in a circle, and we're going to roll to see how many get on to this circle plate. Okay, so let me stop sharing so you can see what I'm doing. So I have my plate and I have my leaves, and Mrs. Schrock is actually, I'm just going to pick a number so we can do it that way. Okay, so this is the first one I want you to do. What number is that? 5. So we're going to go take your leaves and go 1. You can put 1 right underneath the dot. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can practice counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I don't keep going because there's a dot there. Okay, let's try another one. There's a new number. What number is this? 4. So you're going to get 4 leaves. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to practice counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do another one. How about this number? 1. So you take them all off and just do 1. 1. How about this number? 2. So we're going to have 1, 2. So you just count them. 1, 2. How about this number? 3. So I'm going to put 3 on there. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so on this part, we're going to pretend like our fingers are snakes, but we actually are going to use our popsicle sticks to help us count lines and practice with tally marks. Okay, so I'm going to stop that. Okay, so we're going to pretend like, first let's pretend like these are each snake. So let's do 10 or 5 snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if I was going to put these snakes in the sand, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to pretend again. Let's pretend like there are 3 snakes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's pretend like there's 2. 1, 2. See how I'm doing my fingers the math way? Okay, let's do this number. 1. 1. How about we try this one? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show me 5 snakes on your fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me 1 snake on your fingers. 1. Show another snake. How many do you have now? How many paths would your snake make if you had this many snakes? It would make 1, 2. How would your counting be different if your story started with 5 snakes and one of them, they went home one at a time? So we'd have 5 and then we take away 1, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that's our math lesson for today. So we were practicing and we were counting with a little bit of a story with the snakes.